please.
Oh, yeah, see,
All
listen to
you
me.
do is complain about the food.
Well, why don't you
can't
tell-
help it? You
Will you
can't live
speak
by
up? I
yourself
can't
at
even
home.
hear you. I don't have my hearing aids in.
Stop,
Oh,
nurse!
come on.
Nurse!
Oh, you're just a pain in
Okay,
the butt.
that's good. Now you may approach the dog to see if he will come to you. Good.
Good boy. Good job.
Hello, Fenway. This is Fenway.
Hi, Fenway. Nice to meet you. See, we're calm now. Yes, we are. We're calm. Yes.
He loves being pat behind his ears. Right here, he'll fluff right over.
Oh, do you like that? Oh, is that good? Is that good?
Nice work, didn't I?
I think it's coconut.
What do you think? Go back to sleep. She's jealous.
He's pretty good.
Okay, now I have to bump him from behind, which is,
No.
it's always hard with a small dog.
Yeah.
So I'll have to just try to walk him over there and I'm gonna lay the doggy down. Not here.
That's what happens when you're a small dog who walks a lot in a busy kitchen. Quite a few bumps from behind.
Favorite place to lay is right in front of our stove, so anytime we're cooking,
They've got
he's
stuff
right
over.
there. Yep, we're
Okay, now we need our crowded